Hello everyone, Cassandra Good coming to you live from our home office here in Albany, Georgia. And ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk to you about no products. No products for Livegood. No products for Livegood. Is that true? Is it not true? Well, actually, it is. We haven't had some products, and that means because we've sold out. But hey, that's a good thing. And I want to come to you today to let you know that don't listen to the people that are saying, oh, they're going down. They don't have products over there. There's no way that you can depend on that company simply because they don't have products. Because you need product in order to have a flourishing company, right? In order for you to build, in order for you to have something substantial, you got to have products. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to tell you that that's a great thing. That means that our company is growing by leaps and bounds, like I've been telling you from day one. The day one when I started my first video journal with you with Livegood, I've been telling you that this is the phenomenal company to be on board with. And now that you see that we're running out of products, that means that everybody around the globe is ordering products like left and right. We're putting up warehouses left and right to handle the volume. That's a good thing because momentum is always great in a company. Last thing you want is decline, and that's decline because we don't have products, because we don't have the means to get it, but we have products because we're building. So I just wanted to let you know, don't listen to the naysayers out there that are actually plugging in and hanging onto your ears and telling you that Livegood, I told you Livegood was not going to be around long. I told you they were growing too fast for their own britches. I told you that every time you turn around, there's a glitch or whatever. But let me tell you this. There has not been a glitch with Livegood. Only glitches are good glitches. Glitches in a way that we're growing at a phenomenal rate. So you want to be here. This is where you need to be. We have collagen on the way. We have a few more things on the way, but we can't talk about that right now. You're going to see that in my other later videos, so I'm just letting you know that. Collagen in such a way that you have not seen it. We have the finest of ingredients for this collagen, and I assure you, this is something that you can actually gnaw on. When I say gnaw, I mean gnaw on, because you'll be that excited that you're going to leave a teeth imprint because this particular product is going to wow you. Now, I know for years, all kinds of nutritional companies have given you collagen, 75% here, variants here, using all kinds of different oils and synthetics and stuff like that to make their collagen, right? And they say it's pure collagen, but then when you get it, it's only a certain percentage. But I assure you, here at Livegood, you're going to have the real collagen experience. So don't worry about the naysayers telling you, hey, it's not going to work over there, they're already running out of products. No, it's going to work over here, because guess what? We're moving at the speed of light because our company is growing at the speed of light. When you have over 2,000 to 3,000 people joining Livegood every single day, we are meeting the demand. We are actually putting out the resources so that we can make sure that everybody gets the products that they need. Warehouses are coming up. After a while, I'm going to tell you where those different warehouses are located, and you'll be astounded to realize that it's just not one location. It's just not two locations, just not three locations. We are definitely, I'm going to tell you this, and I'm going to put my mouth out there because I truly believe this, and this is what I'm seeing. When Amazon started, there was just a few locations that were minute, and it was one area only. Now, what did Amazon do to help their growth, to help the momentum? They started bringing in other resources. They started bringing in other places. They started merging in with people to handle what? The volume of the orders that people are receiving. So now you have affiliates with Amazon. Now you have vendors that are merging with Amazon. Why? To take care of the products that are being bought thousands of times a day. So trust me, look at Livegood in the same capacity. Don't worry about what other people are saying as far as whether or not we're running out of products because we can't handle the volume and we're a sinking ship. We're far from it. We are a ship that's sailing to you, sailing to the next person, and anybody else that comes in here. They want to change their health. They want to change their financial outlay, and anything else that they want to do is all about living good in a healthy way. So I just wanted to let you know that I had to come on here and give you the tidbit on that. Don't worry about what other people are saying, because we're in a good space with Live Good. There's a reason why they chose this name. There's a reason why they chose this name. Now, nobody specifically said to me in my ear why they chose this name, but trust me, anything with good in it has to be great. I should know. My last name is Cassandra Good. So click the link below. If you have not joined Live Good yet, you've been looking at it, you've been dancing around it, you've been thinking, you know what, something's going on with this company. I'm missing out. Am I not missing out? I'm over here with this company. But at the end of the day, you will want our products, because our products are changing lives, okay? So click the link below. Join us here at Live Good. Definitely subscribe to my channel. If you haven't been here before and it's your first time, guess what? I'd love to have you. I'd love to have you on my channel, frequenting all the videos that I share, because I'm going to share the truth, and I'm going to share something with you that will give you the edge to want to change your life and do something totally different. Hit that notification button. That way, every time I uplift a video, guess what? You'll be notified and you'll know Cassandra has put some more content out here. But I just wanted to let you know that buzz that's bouncing around in your ears saying that Live Good, something's going on with Live Good. Yes, it is. Something's going up with Live Good. We're going to the moon, and we're going to be amongst the stars. So come and join us. Thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll speak to you soon.